Hello, my name is Heather. I'm here to talk to you about remote area medical. And when you think about healthcare nowadays and the costs associated with medical care, I think we all know that medical insurance has skyrocketed over the past 10 years. In fact, according to a 2014 annual survey prepared by Kaiser Family Foundation featured in this year's February article from USA Today, the percentage of single covered workers in the U.S. with deductibles of $1,000 or more has risen from 55% in 2006 to 80% in 2014. In other words, the amount consumers must pay before insurance even takes effect has risen tremendously. This tells us just how hard it is for the average low to middle class American to receive health coverage at an affordable rate. As a result, many people are avoiding going to the doctor to seek care. I'm here today to talk to you about donating just a few dollars or even a few hours of your time to volunteer and support the cause. Maybe you fall under this category or are one of the few suffering from a lack of health care because of the cost of your insurance, whether it's for dental or other medical insurance. Please take a moment to consider this. In order to help level out these high costs and for people to get help, if people like you and I could just donate $1 a week, $1 a month, even $1 at all, to help those in need of medical care, it could save so many lives. Since last year, during my first semester of dental assisting courses, I became a volunteer for Remote Area Medical, a nonprofit organization serving the U.S. and other parts of the world. And I've learned so much about this organization and the wonderful help that it provides to those struggling to get care. I want to encourage you to step forward and make a change in yours and other people's lives by telling you more about this organization and the astounding difference that it's made and why it needs people just like you and I to donate or volunteer our time to give back to the community. So to begin with, there is an increasing amount of lower to middle class Americans avoiding health care because of high costs. According to the same study done by Kaiser Family Foundation, 4 in 10 working age adults skip some kind of care because of the costs. It's a case of companies trying to offer workers health insurance and still generating profits, says Eric Wright, professor of sociology and public health at Georgia State University. But whenever costs go up for the consumers around the board, it promotes a delay in care. So now that you realize how big of a problem this has become, ask yourself, what can I do to help? There may be many good places that you can go to volunteer or to donate to this cause. However, one in particular that has stood out to me as making a major difference and improvement is Remote Area Medical. RAM, a Knoxville, Tennessee-based nonprofit volunteer agency, travels to provide free health, vision, and dental care, along with technical and educational assistance to people in remote areas of the U.S. and other places around the world. The organization provides free breast exams, diabetes screenings, physicals, and other preventative and post-preventative services. So according to President and founder of Remote Area Medical, Stan Brock, RAM's mission is to prevent pain and alleviate suffering by providing free quality health care and care to those in need. The organization has provided over $33 million worth of free health care to nearly 500,000 patients with the help of volunteers since its launch. And that's approximately 2/3 of this accounts for the U.S. So what's in it for you to help this organization, you might ask? By helping out and donating your time and a small amount of money, you can save so many lives, perhaps including your own in the long run. You could donate just 8 hours of your time once a year to volunteer to help. Even if you donate $1 a month, so just $12 a year, with nearly every American donating, it makes such a huge difference. Remote Area Medical runs solely off of its donations, which can still fall short of the actual costs associated with the medical services provided. Hopefully this has shown you how important donations are and how you can become a part of this excitement and difference in people's lives. So knowing the issue, let's take a step forward and resolve this. And you can go to RAM's website at ramusa.org, click on volunteer and or donation links, And you can also contact them directly if you don't have internet at your own computer. And you can see me after the speech for more contact information. Will you join me on this journey to help provide free medical care to those in need? Let's all be a part of it and go out there and let's save some lives.